Welcome to Phi Academy. Today we will be doing subtracting fractions. Now what if we have a question like this with same or like denominators where both your denominators have the same number at the bottom. Here it is 7. So this is probably the easiest question that there is. All we have to write down the number at the bottom, which is 7, and then we can very easily do the top arithmetic, which is 2 take away 1, giving us an answer of 1 over 7. Now what does this actually mean? So let's take for example a piece of chocolate, and I'm going to divide that into 7 equal parts, 5, 6 and 7. So let us start by showing 2 over 7. So 2 over 7 is nothing but I'm going to color 2 parts of the 7 in red. So all I need to do is take away one of the parts that I have just colored in. Now I am left with 1 out of the 7 parts that is colored in, which gives us our answer 1 over 7. So this is why it is important for us to have the same denominators of our fractions so that it is easy for us to do the subtraction. Now what if the denominators are different? So here we have one denominator as 5 and the other is 10. This is where we have to find our LCM. So how to find the LCM? We start with the smallest number, which is 5, and write out its multiples and find out which of those multiples is divisible by the second number, which is 10. So let's start with multiples of 5. So 5 times 1 gives us 5. That's not divisible in 10. 5 times 2, which is 10. Now, is this number divisible by 5? And is it divisible by 10? Yes, it is. So this is what is our LCM. So I am going to write out my first fraction, which is 1/5, as a number out of 10. So this is what we call equivalent fractions. So what we have to do to convert 5 to 10? We have to multiply by 2. And for equivalent fractions, we will have to do the same to the top number as well. So 1 times 2 gives us 2 out of 10. Now let us substitute this into our actual question. We have 1/5 is nothing but 2/10 minus 1/10. So we don't have to change that because both our denominators are now the same. So let's continue as usual. All we have to do is write it as a single fraction out of 10. Then we can take away our top two numbers. 2 take away 1, giving us 1 over 10, which is our answer. Now let's have a go at this question. So again we have two different numbers, so unlike denominators. Start off with our 2, which is the smaller number, write down its multiples. So 2 times 1 giving us 2 is not divisible by 3. 2 times 2, which is 4, again not divisible by 3. 2 times 3 giving us 6. Is that divisible by 3? Yes, it is. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So this is what we call our LCM. So let's change half as a number over 6. So from 2 to 6, I need to multiply by 3. For equivalent fractions, I have to do the same to the top number. So again 1, I have to multiply it by 3, giving us 3 minus, changing 1/3 as a fraction out of 6. So from 3 to 6, I need to multiply by 2. So I'm going to do the same to the top number as well. So 1 times 2, giving us 2. Now we can put it out of one single fraction. So 6. And then in the top it will be 3 minus 2, giving us 1 over 6. Pause the video and have a go at this question by yourself, and then we can come back and do together. So for different denominators, we will start with the smaller number and list out its multiples to find the LCM. So 4 times 1, which is 4, not divisible by the other number, which is 5. 4 times 2, which is 8, again not divisible by 5. 4 times 3, which is 12, not divisible by 5. 4 times 4, which is 16, again not divisible by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Is this divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 4? So this is what we call our LCM. So let's change 3/4 and 2/5 into equivalent fractions out of 20. So let's convert 3/4 as a fraction out of 20. So 4 to 20, I need to multiply it by 5. So I have to do the same to the top number. So 3 times by 5 giving us 15 minus, let's convert 2/5 now. So out of 20, so 5 times by 4 giving us 20. So you do the same to the top as well. 2 times by 4 giving us 8. Let's put this all as a single fraction out of 20. We have 15. Take away 8 giving us 7 out of 20. Pause the video now and have a go at the practice questions and come back to check your answers. Hope you got your answers right. Check out my previous video on adding fractions. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.